Would you like to listen to your materials? If so, click on an HTML file. If you are using Blackboard or Canvas, click on the tab on the left side. You now have a Listen button at the top of the file. Click on Listen to hear the page read from the top to the bottom, or you can highlight a portion of the page and click Listen to hear that portion. Before listening to a portion of the page, let's look at the Listen toolbar expanded. Notice that you have pause and stop tools. When you click on pause, the pause button will change to a play button. If you stop the recording and want to restart the player for the highlighted section, then click on the play button with the circular arrow. If you wish to move to a different portion, then highlight a new section and click Listen. Let's listen to a portion of this page.
Tutoring. If you didn't understand some concepts in class, then get tutoring.
The Listen commands are great for streaming and increasing your vocabulary by associating words you heard in class with their written form. Give it a try.